So my name is Thomas Dickerson, and the car I competed with at the SEMA show this year is a 1967 Shelby Mustang GT350. And it's completely re-engineered with all modern technology. So this car to begin with wasn't a real Shelby. So I started with a real Fastback Mustang 67, and I was able to graft all the fiberglass panels onto it to make it appear as if it were a Shelby. In my 67 Fastback Shelby, I have a small block 289 that I rebuilt. I used a Holley Sniper fuel injection unit. I wanted it to perform like a newer car. I wanted fuel injection, especially when in cold weather, it's really hard to start the engine. So I used a rack-and-pinion system. It has all the modern steering functions. You don't have any more slop in your steering anymore. So I used Ring Brothers. I called them up and they were able to hook me up with an awesome set of billet hood hinges. They're actually hydraulic. On the Shelby front end, this is all fiberglass nose piece. I wanted to use modern headlights, and so I found a company that made LED 5 3/4 inch headlights, which is specific to a year Shelby. So up here on the front of the car, you can see that all these gaps and lines are really nice and perfect. So on the Shelbys, they're really bad about having notorious terrible gaps on the front of the cars. I had to, first when I got this part, it stuck out 1/2 inch. So that was how much had to be subtracted to get this Shelby front end to fit perfectly to the car. So up here I used American Racing wheels. These are 17x7s with 245/45 tires on them. The disc brakes are Wildwood 6-piston calipers with a 12-inch rotor. So the interior on this car is really the best part about it. I have brand new 2017 Mustang seats that I had reupholstered, so I did my own design to them. Over here I have a Dakota Digital gauge system. It has digital message boards on it. That way you have the modern capabilities of like a newer car. The radio is touchscreen display, so it has a brand new Sony touchscreen radio, 7-inch display. SEMA allowing the young gun category to be part of the show is a very big deal. Overall, SEMA gives you the spotlight experience you need to promote your build, and being able to build something like this at 21 is surreal, but being able to go to SEMA and meet all these people I've been chatting with over the past 3 years can be life-changing in a sense, but ultimately, I wanted something to where when you look at it, it looks like the older classic car that everyone loves, but with all the great and latest technology that we have nowadays.